How to reinstall TikTok on Android after the USA ban. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If the TikTok is not available on your Android or Google Play Store due to restriction, here is what should be done. So first of all, head over to your Google Play Store and then search for a free VPN such as Speedy Quark VPN. Make sure to search for it and download and install on your device. After that, open it and it will provide you a free time of 1 hour. So tap on the button to start connecting and give the permission. Once connected, you can now head over to your Play Store, that is Google Play Store, and tap on the search bar. Now in the text box, type in TikTok and then tap on install button. And this way you can get the latest version of TikTok on your Android device. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.